Thank you, friends, for being here on this afternoon today. Normally, it's always a pleasure to meet my journalist friends in Goa, as also meet everybody else. But today we come to you in extremely grave circumstances. The clamor for power characterizes complete breakdown of constitution and democracy in Goa. Paralyzed governance, crippled administration, and collapse of authority has become symbolical of the chaos prevailing in the BJP government in Goa. The three C's, corrupt, callous, and conspiring BJP, clings to power in Goa in an illegal and unconstitutional fashion. Last month, Congress President Shri Rahul Gandhi inquired about the health of Goa Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar. The Congress Party wishes Shri Manohar Parrikar a speedy recovery and a long life. Truth, however, is that the sheer greed for power by BJP's shenanigans has plunged the state into a deep, dingy abyss where, after democracy, governance has become the next casualty. On account of incapacity of the Chief Minister, owing to his illness, power brokers are running amok, plundering the state's resources and holding democracy to ransom in Goa. In an unprecedented and disturbing move, the Bharatiya Janata Party, which usurped power in Goa through backdoor and machinations, held a meeting of ministers of the cabinet in All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Delhi on 12th October. This has never happened before in Goa's history. On 31st October 2018, official Twitter handle of Goa Chief Minister posted a picture of a cabinet meeting. I have again sort of attached it as a soft copy to you, although you are well aware. People of Goa, as also elsewhere, were deeply disturbed by the visual in the picture. It reflects that Shri Parrikar needs emergent medical attention rather than the grandstanding being done by BJP vis-a-vis his health for clinging to power in some fashion. I believe this is a cumulative battle. It is not a political one. It is a battle for Goa's survival. This is a battle for defending our constitution. This is a battle for protecting our democracy. This is a battle for ensuring that the adult franchise system, in which every person has a vote, is respected, instead of usurpation of power in the name of Shri Manohar Parrikar by unknown and unseen faces who are not elected by people of Goa to plunder the resources of the state and to ensure a crippled administration and a paralyzed governance is all that the people get. We as a political party will play our role as the principal opposition party responsible for raising the aspirations. But this is a cumulative voice of people of Goa bereft of politics. And we continue to raise so and say that a special session is the only answer. A governor who is in cahoots with the powers that are at the center and works at the whims and fancies of BJP rather than working in accordance with the constitution needs to understand and see the writing on the wall and see that the government has lost majority, that there is no government, that the rule by the constitution has floundered, that constitution is being held captive, that a fraud is being played upon the constitution by the BJP, and must call a special session. Shri Rahul Gandhi, Congress President, inquired about the health of Shri Manohar Parrikar when he was admitted in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Delhi as a goodwill gesture for a senior leader of the opposition. But the important issue is that Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah and the entire BJP, which is confounded or described by 3 C's, as I said, corruption, callous and conspiracy, they are latching on to power in their lust for power by a complete breakdown of the constitutional machinery of the state. If there is ever a case for dismissing the government for not holding majority or being run in accordance with the constitution and the rule of law, there is no starker one than the present one here. And who is holding people of Goa's progress to ransom?